How to make a coffee using that grinder and that coffee machine. You might notice the coffee machine's just warming. When it's ready to go, this will show as lit. First things first, how I make my coffee, I've already microwaved some milk with sugar. Do we have coffee grinds? Let's have a look. Not enough. Easy enough to start. Button on the side. There are beans in the hopper. Lots of beans. You just press it once. Preset amount will come out. Now that the coffee grounds are done, we'll shove them into a handle. And this takes 2 hands, so just imagine these grounds are going into this. And it gets tamped down. Don't leave them loosely. Tamp them down with this special tool. Make it firm. Now that we've got our coffee grounds in our handle, is there water in the machine? Let's pull it out and have a look. Plenty. And it just goes back in that way. Once in, this frother handle can be pulled down. Okie doke, to insert from the far left hand side, in and up and push, let me see, clockwise. Ready to go, putting the mug underneath, and this is the go button in the middle. I give it about 10 seconds and no more. Suffice to say, with the milk already microwaved, I don't use the frother. You're certainly welcome to use the frother. It's a bit more cleaning, a bit more noise, a bit more time. If you'd like to use the frother, you stick your mug with the frothing wand inside, and that is the frothing button, on and off, and this handle on the side needs to be turned to froth as well. Anyway, back to making coffee, 10 seconds. Off. You might notice that there's still some running out. That's okay. There's a drip tray. And the top of the machine stays warm if you have to make a few coffees at once. There you go, coffee grinder and coffee machine. Enjoy.